Hello everyone, starting from version 2.0.86, Hidemyacc has released the Paste as Human typing feature. This is a feature that helps users paste any text. Instead of pasting 100% of the text as usual, that text will be pasted letter by letter as you type. To use this feature, you use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-V to paste the text you just copied. For examples, this is one of the cool features in performing operations when surfing the web like a real person. So I have finished the tutorial on Paste as Human typing feature. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team via Facebook, Telegram or Skype. Thank you for using Hidemyacc. Good luck!